Good morning. A beautiful red sky out there, and I'm on my bike ride, and I'm taking you with me. But the bike ride is not the most important, and the beautiful red sky, although of course it is very enjoyable, is also not what this video is about. And you see of course my face if you watch me. Good morning. But it is also not about my face, and it is not even about my voice. You know, today it is about what I say. Yeah, what I say. Yeah. Isn't that beautiful? But what I say is important, is way more important than what anybody else says. My words are not spoken with the usual nonsensical belief that's the speaker expresses his or her thoughts. No, what I say are not my thoughts. I don't have any thoughts. What I say pertains to the words that I have, the words that I know, the words I'm able to express. And why am I able to express these words? Well, it is because I listen to myself. Good morning. It is because I listen to myself, yeah. So you would be able to have embodied language just like I do if you would listen to yourself. And so it is the listener which makes me speak. If I wasn't listening to myself, I wouldn't be speaking like this, and I would be speaking just like everybody else. And I don't talk like everybody else. I talk in a very different way. Because it's not only me who's listening to what I'm saying, it is the whole world. Yeah. The whole of existence. The whole of existence is listening to me. Nature is listening to me. And so, and it's just another way of saying that my ability to speak this way is natural, because while I'm listening to myself, I'm not expecting myself to say this or that. I'm just saying what I'm capable of saying and what I like to say. and what I feel happy to say.